Welcome to Joint Ventures, an OSC original podcast where we bring together expert insights, the latest research, and real conversations about orthopedics, spine care, pain management, and helping patients move better and function better. I'm your host, Dr. Bob Snyder with Orthopedic and Spine Center, and today we're talking about something it's really changing the future of knee replacement surgery, patient-specific knee implants. When most people think about knee replacement, they assume every implant is basically the same. But the reality is every patient's knee anatomy is different. And that's one of the reasons I use patient-specific knee technology like the conformist system. Traditionally, knee replacements have used standard off-the-shelf implants that come in a range of sizes. These implants can work very well, but they're still standardized. With patient-specific implants, we're able to take a much more personalized approach. Before surgery, the patient undergoes a specialized CT scan that creates a 3D model of their knee anatomy. Using that information, the implant and surgical instruments are custom manufactured specifically for that implant. So instead of trying to make the patient fit the implant is designed to fit the patient. That difference can really matter. One of the biggest things patients want after knee replacement is for their knee to feel as natural as possible. Even when surgery is technically successful, some patients still say their knee feels different or doesn't quite feel like their own. Patient-specific implants are designed to better match the patient's natural anatomy, alignment, and movement patterns, which may help improve comfort, motion, and overall satisfaction. What I like about this technology is that it allows us to individualize care. It can improve implant fit, help preserve bone, and create a more natural balance within the knee. For many patients, that can translate into smoother movement, improved confidence during recovery, and a knee that simply feels better over time. There's also a lot of discussion right now about robotics in knee replacement, and robotics can absolutely be a useful tool, but robotics still uses standardized implants. What makes patient-specific technology different is that the implant itself is customized to the individual patient, not just the placement. At the end of the day, my goal is always to restore function, reduce pain, and help patients get back to living their lives. Having patient-specific technology available gives us another way to personalize treatment and focus on what works best for that individual patient. Patients also commonly ask what these implants are made of and how they hold up so long-term. Conformist implants use the same high-quality orthopedic materials commonly used in modern joint replacement, including cobalt chrome alloy, titanium, and highly cross-linked polyethylene, designed for durability and long-term performance. We actually have a great article on the OSC website that breaks down the materials and technology behind these implants for more detail. The biggest takeaway is the knee replacement is no longer a one-size-fits-all procedure. The more we can personalize surgery to the patient, the better opportunity we have to create a knee that feels natural, functions well, and helps patients return to activities they enjoy. Thanks for joining us on Joint Ventures, an OSC original podcast. If you found this episode helpful, be sure to subscribe, share it with someone considering knee replacement, and visit us online at osc-ortho.com to learn more about our joint replacement program and treatment options. We'll see you next time.
At At Orthopedic and Spine Center, we're dedicated to providing the highest quality treatment using the most advanced technology available. Our fellowship-trained spine and interventional pain management physicians specialize in diagnosing painful conditions and offer minimally invasive interventions to complex spine surgeries. Our pain psychologist helps patients understand and reduce stress from chronic pain conditions. Our experienced physicians get you back to doing what you love. Call today for an appointment. Experience excellence at Orthopedic and Spine Center.